Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account on iPhone. So guys, if you want to delete Instagram account or you want to deactivate Instagram account, here I will show you how can you do this on your iPhone or iPad or other Apple devices. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply go back to your home screen first and then open your Instagram and then go to your profile and then tap on three lines button and now go to account center, and from here you have to simply go to manage accounts. Once you are here, you have to simply tap on account ownership and control. Now here you can see you can deactivate or delete your account from here. So guys, simply tap on deactivation or deletion. Here you can see this. Once you are here, select your Instagram account, and from here you can check this to deactivate account or you can check this to delete account. You can do this as per your requirement. You can deactivate your account and you can also delete your account. So guys, in order to delete your account, simply check this to delete account and then tap on continue. And after this you have to simply give here the reason to deleting Instagram account, and once you do this you have to simply go forward, and after this you will be asked to enter your Instagram password. So guys, you have to simply give your Instagram account password, and after this your account will be deleted permanently. So guys, in this way you can also delete or deactivate your Instagram account on Instagram in iPhone. That's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.